In a small, bustling town, there lived Rhea, a passionate baker who loved nothing more than creating delicious cakes and pastries. She dreamed of turning her love for baking into a successful business. But no matter how hard she worked, her little bakery just wasn't growing. Why isn't this working? She wondered, frustrated. The bigger bakeries in town had more customers, and Rhea felt her tiny shop was being overlooked. One day, she heard about a business workshop organized by the Truist Foundation, an organization known for helping small businesses. Curious, she decided to attend. At the workshop, something caught her attention. A speaker was talking about how innovation, yes, thinking outside the box, had helped many small businesses succeed. He shared stories about how some business owners use technology and creative ideas to stand out in competitive markets. That night, Rhea couldn't sleep. Innovation, she whispered to herself. That's it. I need to try something new. The very next day, she got to work. Rhea started by building a simple website for her bakery and opened up online orders. She posted beautiful photos and fun videos of her baking process on social media, letting people see the heart behind her work. But she didn't stop there. One evening, an idea struck her like lightning. What if people could bake her cakes at home? Excitedly, she created a bake-your-own kit, which included her special ingredients and step-by-step instructions. When Rhea launched the kits, she held her breath. Would it work? The response was incredible. People loved the idea of baking at home, yet still getting to enjoy Rhea's signature cakes. Orders started pouring in, not just from her town, but from neighboring areas too. Soon, her bakery was buzzing with excitement. She introduced virtual baking classes where families could learn to bake together from the comfort of their kitchens. The joy on her customers' faces? Priceless. Rhea's business quickly grew. Within a year, she opened a second bakery, hired a team, and her bake-your-own kits became a must-have in homes across the region. All of this happened because Rhea took a chance, believed in herself, and wasn't afraid to innovate. Looking back, Rhea couldn't help but smile. If only I knew sooner that a small idea could change everything, she thought. Thanks to the lessons she learned from the Truist Foundation's workshop, her bakery had blossomed into something she never imagined possible. The moral of the story? When you dare to innovate, you open doors to new possibilities. No business is too small to succeed if you're willing to think differently and embrace change. Sometimes, all it takes is one fresh idea to turn everything around.